Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial we're going to see that how to basically send normal picture from your gallery as a snap. So previously when you send a snap from your gallery, what will happen is it'll show up as a normal picture in the chat. But how to send it as a snap picture from your gallery or a video from your gallery? For that, what you gotta do is first of all go to your Snapchat, and once we are on a Snapchat, what you're gonna do is click on the lenses. And once you click on the lenses, you'll get explore on the bottom right corner. Click on the bottom right corner and a bunch of lenses will show up. Now what you're going to do is click on the search option, and after that what you're going to do is type in upload and wait for it to load, and you will get a bunch of lenses here. Now what you're going to do is select any of these. There are video uploader, there are photo uploader. You're going to go with the photo one first. You click this and you'll get this lens here, and from here you can just scroll and select any picture from your gallery. Just tap it, add any text, add anything, and just send it to your friends as a snap. And similarly, if we go back and again I just go here and select the video uploader, click on this, it'll search the gallery for videos, and then we can upload videos from our gallery and send them as a snap to our friends. So this is how basically how to send content from your gallery as a snap to your friends. Again, I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna do is go to your Snapchat, open up your Snapchat, and then what you're gonna do is when you are on the main camera, what you're gonna do is go to filters and click on explore, and in explore what you're gonna do is go and search and type in upload and search for it, and these lenses will show up. Now you select one of these lenses, and once you've selected one of these lenses, what it'll happen is it'll search your gallery for content, and from there you can just take a picture, choose a picture, and then just send it as a snap to your friends. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like. If you have any question regarding this, feel free to drop it down in the comment section below. I'll love to answer them, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.